everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about 10 legal terms that most of the people get them wrong. Even native speakers confuse these words. So if you learn them, you will sound super professional. Number 1, arrest versus detention. Arrest means the police officially takes you into custody with charges. But detention means you're just being held temporarily, for example, for some questioning. So not every detention is an arrest. Number 2, murder versus manslaughter. Murder is killing someone with intention, like you wanted to do that. But manslaughter is killing without intention, like in an accident. So big difference in intention and in punishment too. Number 3, trial versus hearing. A trial is the main hearing of a court where the verdict is published and decided. A hearing is typically shorter. The court talks about specific issues during the trial or before it. Number 4, lawyer versus attorney. All attorneys are lawyers because they all have studied law. But not all of the lawyers are attorneys because the attorneys have license to represent clients in the court. So the difference is in their license. Number 5, verdict versus judgment. Verdict is the decision of the jury, guilty or not guilty. But the judgment is the final decision by the judge. So when the judge decides how much punishment is going to be imposed to a criminal. That's the judgment. We first have the verdict, and then after that, we have the judgment. Number 6, case versus lawsuit. A case can mean any legal matter, but a lawsuit is a specific type of case that's filed in civil court against a person. Number 7, theft, robbery, and burglary. Theft is taking something without the owner's permission. Robbery is theft with force or threat. Burglary is breaking into some places to do some crimes. So these 3 categories are totally different. Number 8, bail versus bond. Bail is the money set by the court to release a person before trial. Bond is when a bail bond company guarantees the payment. So bail is the amount and bond is the guarantee or the promise. Number 9, common law versus civil law. Common law is based on precedent and court cases like in the US and UK. But civil law is based on written decision and statutes like in France and Germany. So very different systems in very different countries. Number 10, plaintiff versus complainant. Plaintiff is a person who starts the case in civil court, but the complainant is a person who reports the crime to the criminal court. So we have civil versus criminal here. That's the difference. And that's it, 10 legal terms that are often confused. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.